What's up, you guys? Adrian Williams here, and I know a lot of people are struggling with getting internet in a rural area. So I'm gonna show you guys my internet setup because I do live in a rural area, and I do use a lot of internet to run my digital marketing business. So let me show you guys my setup, and hopefully this helps out a lot of you all. And just for a heads up, guys, my internet only costs me roughly about $60-$70 per month. So let me show you guys my setup. Okay, you all, so let's do a quick speed test really quick so I can walk you guys through, and I'm gonna show you guys also how to do the cell phone, how to boost your cell phone signal and everything else. So that's pretty good speed right there for all your internet needs. I actually run Alexa, I look at the Fire Stick, and a few other things, you guys. So I got internet all throughout my house running, 3-4 TVs, my outside cameras and everything, and I run it literally off of this setup that I have right here. So that's the quick speed test, you guys. Some days it even gets better than that, but for the most part, that is about the average. And anybody that knows the internet knows that that's really about all it takes. So now, this little device right here that I have mounted on the wall, this is the WeBoost, and this is what I use to boost my cell phone signal. So I'm gonna show you guys the setup. This is the cord. It actually, one cord at the actually runs to the outside. So this right here runs to the outside to an antenna, and I'm going to show you guys. And that's this cord right here that runs to the outside to the antenna, and this is the one that runs, I just got it running through the house, and it connects to this little, where's it at? This little box right here, which boosts my cell phone signal instantly. It gives me 4 or 5G on a consistent basis. So let me show you all about my house internet. And as I said, I have the Alexas, I got the TV, my game. I play Call of Duty online, and again, these are the Alexas. Well, you can't see it right there, but these are Alexa devices all throughout the house. So anyway, this thing right here is called the MoFi, and this is the 5G MoFi. It actually works with the little smaller one. It really is no difference. You can get the one for about $500, or you can get the one I got for $1,200. It's still the same exact process. So basically, I bought this right here, and I bought the wire also that runs to the outside. So let's go on the outside and let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So you guys, here we are on the outside, and as I told you guys before, it has about 4 cameras on the outside of the house. And that's another camera right there mounted on the house. And there's all around the front and the back of the house. There's about 4 of them. And here you guys, this is what it's running to. These are directional antennas. Now the first little white one right there, that actually is the one that is boosting my cell phone signal. So I'm able to get 5G all throughout the house. And this one right here, you guys, is the directional antenna that is powering my home internet. So I'm able to play Call of Duty and all of these games online, no lag, no nothing. I'm able to browse the web, I'm able to live stream, I'm able to do Zoom calls and etc. And how it operates is it's pointed to the antenna like straight back there to a cell phone antenna, which is about maybe 5 miles in town. So let me show you guys how the WeBoost, not the WeBoost, the MoFi actually works. So it's just like a regular modem, It's actually like a regular modem. Once you hook it up, you sign into it, you create you an account password. But what it is you guys, is right here is a SIM card slot. And what I did was I went to my local cell phone company, which is US Cellular. I got the unlimited prepaid cell phone plan. The unlimited prepaid cell phone plan, unlimited high-speed data. And what I did was I just simply took the SIM card out of there and plugged it in this little joker right here, and boom, you know, I'm running off of unlimited high-speed data on a $60, $65, $70 prepaid plan. And that's it, you guys. There you have it. So that is how you get Wi-Fi in a rural area. It really works really, really well. You know, again, it runs my Ring devices. I'm able to, you know, check on my home when I'm away from home. And, you know, it really helped me out a lot. So if you live in a rural area and you landed on this video, you definitely landed in the right place. And also for you guys that are interested in generating an income from home, like I do, home away from home, and would like to know what I do to actually need the internet as much as I do and why it's such a necessity, you know, in my online business, click the link below this video and check out the free training that I have available for you all. And that's it. I'm Adrian Wills, and I'm signing out. Peace.